Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring and marking the exact bend location and angle. This prevents costly errors later. Once marked, choose between a mandrel bender, hydraulic bender, or a heat and bend method. Use a mandrel when you need smooth, unrestricted flow. Next, secure the pipe in your jig or bender so it cannot shift. That stability maintains the radius. Finally, fill thin wall tubing with damp sand or water if you lack an internal support. This resists ovalization. Now bend with steady, controlled motion. Forceful, fast bends crease the tube. If using a mandrel bender, pull the tube around the die while the mandrel supports the ID. If using heat, warm the bend zone to 500 to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, not beyond, and bend gradually to avoid grain growth. Pause at small intervals to measure the angle, check the radius, and rotate the piece to keep wall thickness even. Make minor corrections early, once overbent. It's much harder to restore shape. Finish by allowing the bend to cool gradually, then remove any internal fill and deburr the ends. Inspect inside with a light for cracks or thinning. Fit the pipe to the vehicle, tack weld in place, confirm alignment and clearances, then complete continuous welds to avoid leaks. If you find a crease or oval spot, reheat that localized area and insert a mandrel, or use a dolly to massage the metal back. This is the key troubleshooting move to restore geometry without scrapping the pipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.